Hi everyone, SSC and top government exams ki experience में am bahan lumaktara GKGS Manipur na welcome taujari. Ngasi su GKGS Manipur na current affairs ki saruk ama oina weekly current affairs ki video ama experiencing ki damakta pudun laksari. Hariba video sidi for 24th of March ki horakanda 31st of March for the talk about important events in the best of what video ogani. Among this GKGS Manipur na कोई current affairs की वीडियो खरा थागत चक्रे हारिबा वीडियो दो कोई weekly की ओइबनी अदुगा येंद्रिबा इचिल नाउसिंगना दंग येंबियु यामना कानागनेना खनजे आई description दा लिंक सोइना हापचरंगे और आई YouTube की playlist संग कांदा येंबियो playlist सेम कांदा थमजरबनी अदुगा अतोपा important topic sing desu video kaya ama thagat chari adu sing desu yengbiu akoi exam related exam oriented video ngakani aduga ngasigi video asisu akoi exam oriented oina tawbani na akoi MCQ format to oigani aduga hida pi riba question khara sina akoi ge kitang phajaba important oiba question sing ngakani ka aduga ha riba GKGS Manipur na tung tarak patu soidana akoi important topic kyam da and weekly current affairs ki video so hafta khudingi puduna laksagani hariba maram asidagi GKGS Manipur ki channel sibu subscribe to juba viewers sing subscribe to sin biro aduga atopa experiencing atopa viewers sing yongna bugi namakta like amasung share to biu haina ni singjari masi harakanda ngasi ki question sing te pa ba horsi ahanbada yengse who has recently been honored with the prestigious Abel Prize for 2025 yamna prestigious oirba Abel Prize 2025 se Canada recently awarded honored to kibno na hangi ko ahanba question da dom important oiba question ni aduga second question da when was the International Day of Zero Waste 2025 celebrated International Day of Zero Waste kam kanda celebrated to and third question who has been appointed as the new finance secretary of India in March 2025 March 2025 ta kanabu anauba finance secretary of India when appointed to khibano hangi aduga fourth question India recently co-hosted the first India Africa naval exercise India Africa naval exercise han hanba Aikime AIKEYME Aikime se karamba country ka pullakanda hosted tawkibano hangi ko India Africa naval exercise Aikime habse ko madu targa di yeng se khoi MCQ format ta mon torsi hanba question di yeng se what is the theme for the world to tuberculosis day in 2025 World Tuberculosis Day 2025 ki theme kari non hangi ka hand option option number A yes we can fight TB and option number B yes we can end TB commit invest delivered and option number C let's end TB and option number D invest in TB research and option mari B hariba option mari stigi mayamna akhugi asengba achumba option to khanbiro adu haidungai da correct option haidungai da World Tuberculosis Day and every year akhoi chahi khuding maki annually hai tarika March 24 March ta akhoi celebrate tawi ka 25 March ta kari gi damak ta celebrate tawi no ha matam da akhoi tuberculosis nam akhoi mioi da pi ba mangzaba devastating impact hai tarika adugi adadi social and economic consequences of tuberculosis to adugi awareness raise tongna bugi damak akhoi World Tuberculosis Day se celebrated tawbune maram asidagi akhoi 21st March khuding maki annually hatare World Tuberculosis Day hana ko celebrate tawi aduga antak 2025 ki theme se kari non hangi and here the correct option is option number B yes we can and TB commit invest and deliver habni and next question to continue to when was International Day of Zero Waste 2025 celebrated International Day of Zero Waste 2025 se kram kanda celebrated to buno hana hangi ka aduga akhoi picture da sure picture da ubai matung ina akhoi option mari pide option mari stagi here the correct option is option number B that is 30 March ka akhoi thak thak samjale ka aduga antak sahi ki theme of 2025 hai dar theme of 2025 se kari non hangi ka theme of 2025 se khoina that is towards zero waste in fashion and textile hai se khoi gi antak chahi gi 2025 ki theme ne International Day of Zero Waste ki मैम से सोइदन अंडरस्टैंड तौबिरनि है थाजे with this question number 3 the continue to question number 3 the when was World Theatre Day 2025 celebrated World Theatre Day 2025 kalum kan celebrated to bonon hangi ko and here yengasi du targa de khoi 25 March tara 26 March tara 27 March tara 28 March tara here option mari pire and here the correct option is 27 March ko 27 March picture de su ure ko aduga mantak sahi gi theme di theater and a culture of peace service ne theme of 2025 ti khoi karino theater and a culture of peace like the recommend theater and a culture of peace service khoi 2025 World Theater Day gi theme ne aduga next and was Syed Diwas and Mercer's Day celebrated? Syed Diwas and Mercer's Day celebrated. 21st March celebrated Tobra, 23rd March celebrated Tobra, Duga 22nd March celebrated Tobra, Duga 24th March celebrated Tobra, and a option Mari Pire Aduga. Ma'am, hida confusion kitang topa Karigino Hamatamda, Syed Diwas or Mercer's Day, Ani Tong celebrated over Amana I Hajaragepa. January 30 the celebrated or Amana. कईगिदमक्ता महात्मा गांधी हाटकिबा नुमित्तो को गांधी assassination तौकिबा नुमित्तो गांधी assassination तौकिबा नुमित्तो खोय निक्सिंगबा ओइना को कामबा चाहिदा assassinate तौकिबा in 1948 ta khoi assassinate tawkiba numit tu ningsingbo oina khoi ke dawa world Syed Diwas or Mercer's Day se khoi January 30 da celebrate to adu there is January 13 mention torom dre adon maramara kana 21st March odira 23rd March 22nd March 24th March option mari sidagi correct option de ama orani and here the correct option is 23rd March tana kari gidamakta khoi Syed Diwas or Mercer's Day celebrated to bono hangak targadi kari gino khoi March 23 da di picture da su ure akhoi freedom struggle gi damakta akhoi Bhagat Singh Rajguru myam so ningsing birangani ko adai de Sukhdev Thapar se akhoi ke doroga hat ki British na hang toroganda hat ki ka ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 1931 ꯗꯅꯤꯀꯣ 1931 ꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐ꯭रीꯗꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯜꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯠꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ March 23 ꯁꯦ Syed Diwas or Mercer's Day ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ with this question number 4 ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ question number 5 ꯇ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ which government is set to launch the Sahakar taxi service and ko Sahakar taxi service ka government launch to du bagi ka akhoi set ro kana lairabonon hangi ka akhoi Tamil Nadu government ra central government ra Delhi government ra UP government ra hangi ka akhoi kari damakta masina akhoi gi lairiba Ola Uber lairiba akhoi gi सिंगा कंपीट तौनबगीदमक्ता अदुगा अखोय ड्राइवर सिंगदा मखोयगी लाइबा प्रोफेसिंग दो विदाउट एनी पे है तारे अखोयगी सिगिदि ओला उबर सिंगीदमक्ता अखोय मखोयगी कनो सिनबगी साइट सिनबगी एप्स सिनबगी मखोयगी टैक्स खर जातिदो अदु यावदबिदा ड्राइवर सिंगदा डायरेक्ट प्रॉफिट तो पीनबगीदमक्ता गवर्नमेंट ना लौखलपा स्कीम ममनेबको अदुना मसिगी सहकार टैक्सी सर्विस सबजे का गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च तौदुगी सेट रोकांदा लैरबनो हंगे एंड हियर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अनिका and with this question number 6 I'm going to continue to question number 6 according to Hurun Global Risk List 2025 whose city emerged as the billionaire capital of Asia billionaire capital of Asia oina kamba city bu emerge tro pano hanangi ko do tawdi yang Shanghai Mumbai Bangkok Kolkata and akhoi option mari pire and here the correct option is Shanghai Shanghai siniko Shanghai sinako and question number 7 da mu continue to see question number 7 da kitang thona dum junction chi komya hadi matam yam lawdana ba the prime minister of his country recently declared a state of emergency following an earthquake with its epicenter reportedly in Myanmar ko maki epicenter akhoi hatak ta so yamna news ta yamna yawriba with 7.7 magnitude ta harkiba adumba earthquake ko akai epicenter na kada do kiba Myanmar do kiba aduna maram morakanda ko akhoi gi jaga mayam am da akhoi building dagi kari dagi construction site mayam am dagi akhoi collapse of dagi there was widespread panic ko aduna maram orakanda karamba country da state of emergency declare tokibno prime minister kanana declare tokibno na hangi ko sorry karam state of emergency declare tokibno hangi Japan Myanmar Thailand South Korea ko khoi tokibdo Japan da earthquake thokide South Korea da earthquake thokide ko and here was only two option and khoi epicenter di Myanmar da ni adu state of emergency declare tokibna ka that is option number C Thailand da declare tokibni kanana khoi prime minister du gi maming kai kawe PM du gi maming khoi Petongton Shinawatra koi ko Shinawatra hai na Petongton Shinawatra ko ay amuka su ijar ke So with this question number 8, tamu continue to say question number 8 man maming soy dan tabi ramagani that is Rosni Nadar. Rosni Nadar has become the first Indian woman to enter the world's top 10 richest women list. Top 10 richest women list. She is the chairperson of whose company? Karamba company ki chairperson no na hangi ko. Adani Group, ICL Technologies, Tata Steel, Reliance Industries, and here for option was here ko. And with this here correct option choose to see and ma'am so in many pictures of that and she was the chairperson of ICL Technologies. ICL Technologies ki chairperson ni ko. And marks 2024 da France na France ke highest civilian award that is Chevalier de la Légion of Honor natra Chevalier de la Légion of Honor habase kaidauba mangon the confer tawkiba ko France ki highest civilian award one of the ko the mind tawduna mayam si hanasu maming choidan tabi ramagani khanjai aduna maram marakanda the correct option is option number B that is ICL Technologies ko and with this question number 9 the who has recently been honored with the prestigious Abel Prize for 2025 kanabu prestigious Abel Prize 2025 awarded honor tawkibanon hangi the option jingji ngasi option number A da Michael Talagran as an option number B the Toshihide Maskawa and option number C the Riken Yamamoto and option number D the Masaki Kashiwara and option Mari Pide and picture the Ureko and here the correct option is option number D that is Masaki Kashiwara. Adu tawid me anu soina khangin ngoni that is Abel Prize ko. Abel Prize kari gi damakta kari gi hiram da pibno ha matamda it was given for outstanding achievement in mathematics ki hiram da pibni ko for outstanding achievements mathematics ko so picture the subi recommend aduna correct option jo khangabnina question number 10 dam continue torsi which state government launches AI chatbot Sarathi for citizen service Sarathi have a AI chatbot se karamba state government na launch tokibano na hangmani ka in Madhya Pradesh kira West Bengal gi state government ra option number C the Kerala and option number D the Haryana ko and kedoba picture the sure and SS Nap Singh Saini Chief Minister of Haryana that is and the correct option is Haryana ko aduna correct option is Haryana मैम सोइदन खंबीर मनी का अखोय गवर्नमेंट की डॉक्यूमेंट सिंग अदि गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी सिंग जे अदि पब्लिक एक्सेस ऑफ द याम सिंपलीफाई ओइन फंगनबगी दमक अदुंबा कदोबा अदुमा अदुगी मरम दुगी दमक लॉन्च ऑफ अदुंबा चाटबॉट अमने. So with this question number 11 the continue to say whose state government recently signed an MOU with UNESCO to enhance the quality of education to enhance on the damakta do taragadi yengasi Sikkim Assam Himachal Pradesh Arunachal Pradesh and here by option mari sitagi manungda mayamna so soiduna khambiro mani that is the correct option is Himachal Pradesh ko Himachal Pradesh ni aduga next question number 12 tamu continue to orse India's first Nano Electronics Roadshow was inaugurated at whose institution? Nano Electronics Roadshow ko Nano Electronics Roadshow se karamba institute ta inaugurated tawkibano na hange ko option number A da IIT Madras and option number B da IIT Guwahati and option number C the IISc Bengaluru and option number D the IIT Bombay. And here the question is correct option do hai dingai da kogi March 27 da ko inaugurated to gibani ko kari dam kadai da IISc Bengaluru da ko IISc Bengaluru at the National Science Seminar Complex IISc Bengaluru da ko National Science Seminar Complex ko aduga masigi keno tobase masigi events organized tobase akogi maiti ko Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology MEITY ko Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology habni ko siga partner to kanda kana IISc Bengaluru ko adaidi IIT Bombay IIT Madras IIT Delhi IIT Kharagpur IIT Guwahati moi mayam se collaborate torokanda pangthokiba event amne organize tokiba event amne ko kanaga Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology ka. With this question number 12 to understand the Romanian Thazai question number 13 the continue to see which of the following states secured the top 3 position in the medal tally of Khelo India Para Games 2025. Khelo India Para Games 2025 ta kramba state ahum na medal tally se koi first second third ta kibana na hange ka option number A the Haryana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and option number B the Haryana, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh, and option number C the Punjab, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, and option number D the Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. To show the case, so in Ramagni that is Haryana na first option and Tamil Nadu na second, third Uttar Pradesh, and here the correct option is option number B. Adu tayo na mayam na so ito na ay mamangi kano da so ako gi current affairs ki video da so Khelo India Para Games so ito tingnan naman yung giveaway sila na ako hindi ko. Adu tayo di Khelo India Para Games kadaida pangthokibano ko aduga kamba date pangthokibano it was held between March 20 to 27 se pangthokibani ko March 20 to 27 kadaida New Delhi da pangthokibani aduga maki mascot na kari oikibano an haib matam da Uzawala akoy kai haraga sangna house sparrow haraga sangna ko House Sparrow has kangai ado karigino symbol of maki symbol se symbol of resilience ko RESILIENCE ko symbol of resilience si haraga su kangai ko me ado Khelo India Para Games ki akoi gi concluded game se kadai da pangthokib no ha matam da Jawaharlal Nehru JLN Nehru Stadium New Delhi da pangthoki ko grow with this question number 14 the continued source where was the successful test of the BL Sarsham conducted successful test of BL Sarsham je kadai da pangthokibano Prokhan Range Rajasthan da ko Wheeler Island integrated test range Chandipur Sriharikota option mari pire and akoi correct option is that is integrated test range Chandipur da koi kanana pangthokiba DRDO ko mayam so den maming tabiramani Defense Research Development Organization aduga BL Sarsham haibagi full form so mayam so den khanging amani that is akoi vertical launch short range surface two-year missiles and having a two-year missile. PL Sarsham have it. So with this question number 15 the continued to see where was the third edition of the Source X India 2025 inaugurated recently Source X India 2025 kadai recently market third edition kadai inaugurated to kibano na hangi ka akogi in New Delhi Gujarat, Assam, Maharashtra haina akhoi option mari pire ko option mari sidagi correct option is New Delhi da inaugurated tawkibne mahak kana inaugurated tawkibno na hangak ta gadi that is FIEO haribo organization sin inaugurated tawgi hana hagini habadi Federation of Indian Export organizations and having organizations haribo organizations ina akhoi inaugurated tawgani hagani aduga mahaki sigi source x India 2025 mahaki purpose mahaki si pangthoi sigi maram mayam soidna khangni ngani maram di karigi no ha matam da akhoi Indian exports se boost tongna bu gi domakta to boost Indian Indian export se boost tongna bu gi domakta amasung ke doba akhoi India gi brand sing che maki globally go to da akhoi global ohen bada mateng pangna bu gi domakta haitar and to provide a platform for Indian brands to go global haitar Sigi points so I am understand or show the grab or magna with this question number 16 the continue to question number 16 what position did India secure as a tea exporter in the world in 2025 tea exporter on Indiana secure to give a position to kaya first second third and fourth and ma'am so then is some question in a that is option will be second position and the first position then like first na koigi Kenya Africa country ni ko sisina laiki ko and next question number 17 da mo go through chalase which country has announced its decision to join the new development bank NDB in March 2025 kamba country no Saudi Arabia, option number B the Finland, option number C the Bhutan, and option number D the Indonesia. And picture the sure that is Indonesia. Siga Indonesia se pulla kanda total akoi kya sure total 9 countries sure 9 countries ko duga atopa country ni pando mayam na kari no haido yengbiro ko masina mayam gi homa oversea and with this, question number 18. Question number 18. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India in March 2025? Now, Finance Secretary. See the option number A, Rajiv Kumar, option number B, TV Somnathan, and option number C, Ajay Seth, and option number D, Arvind Panagria. Option Mari Pire. And here, picture the Sure that is. Option number C is the correct option. Ajay said is the correct option, and he was a former senior IAS officer. Question number 18 is so I am Magnan Tazay Adunamara Moroccan. Question number 19 the Muchalasi. Question number 19 who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court? Odisha High Court ki Odisha High Court ki Chief Justice when Kanabo appointed to Kibanon Hange. Justice Haris Tandon, option number A, the option number B, the Justice J.S. Perma, and option number C, the Justice S. Muralidhar, and option number D, the Justice Chandradhari Saran Singh. Option Mari Pire, and here the correct option is option number A, that is Justice Haris Nandan picture the Sure and question number 20 the continue to say who was recently appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog full-time member of Niti Aayog Ma'am, I Niti Aayog ki mamang dasu video khara semja video ama semja khram ni ko Niti Aayog ki topic sida adugi haiba Niti Aayog ki video adu yengbi driba still now ching description the link soidan hapchange adu yengbi yam go through to bi yamna kanna gani exam da yamna important oiba topic amni Niti Aayog se aduga ma ki full-time member ke asui hebduna mayang gi homa or si ko full-time member ko how many full-time members of Niti Aayog are there ka aduna mayam adugi homak to mayam na comment box to drop to biro mo ko mayam na viewer oi targadi koi exam thabi experience oi targadi aduga option sing che yang ase Arvind Panagaria Ramesh Chan B.K. Saraswat Rajiv Gauba hantak recently appointed over full-time members of Niti Aayog se kanano koi picture the sure that is Rajiv Gauba option number D is the correct option ka and with the question number 21 da continue to see who has been appointed as the MD CEO of the Industrial Finance Corporation of India FCI ko kana MD and CEO se kana one appointed to no hange CS Sati Tuhin Kanta Fande Ajay Seth Rahul Bhav and akogi option mari pire and here the correct option is that is option number D Rahul Bhav ko mayam picture da su bire aduga hariba sigi IFCI se akoi Indian Industrial Finance Corporation of India IFCI Industrial Finance Corporation of India se 1st July 1948 founded tawkibani aduga mahaki headquarters na kadai da laibano ha matam da akoi New Delhi da laibani ko sigi point ani sisu mayam khangbirani with this akoi question number 22 da continue torse Indian origin scientist J Bhattacharya has been appointed as the director of his institute in the US. US the labor karamba institution gi director oina Indian origin J Bhattacharya se appointed tawkibanon hangi National Institute of Health Food and Drug Administration Centers for Disease Control and Prevention World Health Organization and option mari pire aduga marks appoint tawbada khoi US ki president Donald Trump na recommend tawbani ko Donald Trump na recommend tawbani aduga haiba karamba organization gi maming do that is option number A National Institute of Health NIH tariko C gi khoi director oina appointed tawkre that is J Bhattacharya Indian origin ni ko aduga question number 23 da mu continue torse what was the operation launched by India after a powerful earthquake struck the neighboring country karamba neighboring country Myanmar natra Thailand haiba country sa khoi ngasai su panjagre 7.7 magnitude na struck tawkro matung da India na haiba countries na mateng pangna pagi damakta launch to kiba dumbo operation do adugi maming kari tawbano hangi option number A operation Ganga and option number B operation Shiva and option number C operation Brahma and option number D operation Ma and Haika aduga here the correct option is that is option number C operation Burma ko 29 March ta launch tawkibni aduga haiba makhoi relief material oina akoi Myanmar da 15 tons of relief materials akoi deliver tawkre ko 15 tons of relief material ko Mayam so idana khangbiramani Myanmar and Thailand da struck tawba earthquake gi matung ko so aduna maram orakanda question number 23 so I understand oriana logjay aduna maram orakanda question number 24 to continue to say the 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise in Indra I'm saying tabiramani Indra mamang da tabiramani antana kya suba 14th edition suba ko Sigi bilateral exercise se recently commenced between India and whose country India ga karamba country ga marakta pangthokpa adumba bilateral naval exercise non hangbani ko naval exercise ni mahaki Indra habni aduga mahaki kedoba edition na kya 14 edition Bhutan option number A option number B Russia and option number C Nepal and option number D USA and here the correct option is Karino akoi option number B that is Russia ko India and Russia picture this ure ko aduga marks edition 14 ni karamba akoi gi mark kadai da pangthoki ma'am picture do ure that is Chennai Bay of Bengal da pangthoki ko aduga with this akoi next up question number 25 tamu continue to see which organization has published the United Nations World Water Development Report 2025 United Nations World Water Development Report 2025 karamba organization na publish tawbano na hange ko akoi yengasi UNDP UNEP UNESCO World Bank ko and here the correct option is that is UNESCO na publish to on behalf of UN Water ko UN Water ki behalf ta published by UNESCO on behalf of UN Water ko Mayam UNESCO ke full form se karino what is the full form of UNESCO I give video seeing now viewers experiencing na comment box to drop stock in biro UNESCO ke full form se karino hai na mayam bi homangi ka aduga yeng ase haiba sigi United Nations World Water Development Report se kari the focus to kan publish to bono han hangta da koi mountain and glacier ko water towers have mountain and glaciers ai phaipet panjaram ge mountain and glaciers water tower haiba theme si the focus to kanda akhoi publish to adumba report amne dona question number 26 ta mo continue to see question number 26 ta on World Water Day the Ministry of Jal Shakti launched Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain 2025 in collaboration with other ministry karamba other ministry ko collaborate to kanda launch obonon hangi ko Ngasi option number A, the Ministry of Home Affairs. Option number B, the Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change and Climate Change. Option number C, the Ministry of Tourism, and option number D, the Ministry of Urban Development. And hariba khoi World Water Day khoi mamang ki previous video yengba isna naw sine so ning sing magani, that is 22nd March ta 22nd March bang thoki ka aduga ma ki theme of 2025 ning sing bada yam namaru oi, that is glacier prevention ka, sorry, glacier preservation ha gadom ni ka, glacier preservation hai basa theme of 2025 ni aduga masi karamba ministry ga akogi Ministry of Jal Shakti na Jal Shakti Abhiyan Case to Rain 2025 hai basa launch tore scheme je aduga karamba ministry ga pulla kana launch tokibno, that is Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Option number B ka sika pulla kana launch tokibni. And with this question number 27 da mo continue to see whose government body has organized the Purple Fest in collaboration with the Rashtrapati Bhavan ko Rashtrapati Bhavan ga pulla kanda karamba government body na akogi Purple Fest se organize tokibano na hangi. Option number A, the Ministry of Culture, and option number B, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and option number C, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and option number D, the Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, masigi correct option je ai the lak tungai da Purple Face have je kari no so mayam soi dang hang ngani Purple Face have je kasim na te akoi gi kedoba person with disabilities ai tar person PWDS mayam soi dang tabi ramani person with disabilities akoi Hindi da haragana divyangjan ko divyangjan akoi divyangjan sing sigi akoi talents ko talents, achievements, adaidi atopa aspirations and aspirations singse kaidauba celebrate toba recognize toba adumba festival makhal amani ka hariba festival se akhoi president, that is Draupadi Murmu ka Draupadi Murmu na akhoi inaugurated tawki kadaida akhoi Rashtrapati Bhavan New Delhi da inaugurated tawki ko kamba that 21st March ta inaugurated tawki ko hariba masigi festival se kana ka karamba government body ga karamba ministry ga pulla pangthokiba non hangmani, that is option number C, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment ga pulla da pangthokiba adomba face makhalamani. So with this question number 28 continue to say question number 28 which state become the first Indian state to establish a senior citizen commission chengot kiba adomba ihan hanba first ever Indian state to karamba non hangi ko. Option number A, Assam. Option number B, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Option number C, Kerala. And option number D, Maharashtra. That is, if I picture this, that is option number C is the correct option, Kerala. And question number 29, India recently hosted the first India-African naval exercise IKME with whose country? Karamba country ganon hangi ko. That is, karamba country dano with whose country? Ghana, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, India and akoy picture the sure exercise IKME, that is India and Tanzania kadai da pangthok tu bagi akoy schedule torokan da leiriba akoy Tanzania in the Indian Ocean in April 2025 Indian Ocean da So, question number 30, then continue to see question number 30. What is the name of the tri-service integrated exercise conducted by the Indian Armed Force in March 2025 in the high altitude terrain of the Arunachal Pradesh? Okay, Arunachal Pradesh ki awangba high altitude terrain the pangtok kiba do but tri-service integrated exercise to kari kaubanon kari mami kaubanon hangi ka. The tri-service integrated exercise hai ta ko Indian Army ka Indian Navy aduga Indian Air Force makhoi ahum sina punsilakanda pangthokpa adumba akhoi India gi military se mapangkal se kan khatna bugi damang ta hai tare ko si se kadai da pangthoki haiba matam da akhoi gi India China border ko India China northern India China border hai tare si da pangthoki Arunachal Pradesh ki ko adugi maming do kari ko bonon hangi ko 25 to 27 March ko ta pangthoki ba adumba exercise makhala mani ko ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯁꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯎꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯗꯤ is the correct option is that is Prasan Prahar is the correct option ko. And with this question number 31 da we continue to question number 31 da which country's men's regu team won the championship at the 2025 Sepak Takraw World Cup ko 2025 Sepak Takraw World Cup da karamba country gi men's regu team ko nupa team na mai pakibano na hangi option number A South Korea, option number B India, and option number C Japan, option number D Malaysia. And here the correct option is that is India. Option number B is the correct option. Masi se ke dawa kadai da pangthokibano ha matam da masi gi championship se Patna Bihar da pangthokibani ko. Iduga India na kanabu maichiba piki Japan bu maichiba piki kya point kya da 2:1 da ko. India na Japan maichiba piki 0.21 da ko. India na mai pakpasina maram oirakanda masigi akhoi question ji pukhalakpani ko duna masigi oinadi akhoi weekly current affairs ki video asi question asi matang sai losinjare aduga pdf atop important amasung quizzes ngi damakta ai gi telegram channel sida scan tawraga or ai description da link soidana hapchrange join to biro aduga whatsapp pa bisin now gi whatsapp channel whatsapp link WhatsApp group ki description da link hapchrange join to shinbro atopa video sing yeng jiba mamang da thagat kraba koi topic wise ki important oiba video sing gi so ai link da description da link hapchrange yengbiro aduga soidana yengbi yamna kanagani hana kanjai ko aduga ai gi channel sidigi kana ba khajikang oina phange hana khajikang oisu phange hana khanbi betara ga channel asibu like share amsu subscribe to ko bigino haijari du hara kanda mayam bo amo hana thagachori thank you ma'am